We're really excited to have received our armor cage rear bumper for our 2021 John Deere 333G. We use it for grading and mulching, and you gotta have a bumper if you're gonna mulch. The installation begins with taking off your suitcase weights if you have them. If you don't, you'll be able to just bolt the bracket up with the bolts that come with it. With the suitcase weights, you're going to have longer bolts, but the mounting bracket bolts right into the holes that the triangle weights would bolt to on both sides. Same process getting it on. Putting the bolts in the bumper now, every single hole lined up perfect. There was not even a smidge of error or effort, honestly, to installing this whole thing. Just the fact that it's heavy adds 300 pounds to the rear of the machine. So, but every bolt hole lined up perfect. It's machined beautifully. It's a great product, good quality. Not getting paid by Armor Cage at all, and this thing definitely was not free, but can't say enough about it. Great product. Putting the rest of the bolts in, tightening them up with a Milwaukee 1/2-inch drive impact, 30mm socket, hole on the other side with a crescent wrench. They are lock nuts, and not one single issue putting them in. Everything was perfectly in line. Backing it out, you can see how it bolts up right there to the 3 bolts. I mean, just looks great. I think it's going to perform great. Me and Faye. Fisher in the skid steer right there. Just another look at it. Hopefully this helps you guys or somebody make a decision on this bumper. We didn't find a lot out there about it on YouTube, except for some of the companies, the manufacturer stuff. So hopefully you find it helpful.